Need to resolve Netflix subtitle issue on iPhone? Then you're on the right video. In order for you to fix the issue, the very first thing you want to do is head over to your application Netflix. Now close the app and then reopen it. It will refresh the app. After that, move into the settings of a device. Inside settings, head over to General. Move into iPhone storage. In this page, search for the application Netflix and then move into it. Click on Offload App and once again tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is head over to the App Store on a device. In the address bar, you need to search for Netflix. Move ahead to this app. Instead of open, if you find the option of updating, simply click on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.